Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on a delicious journey to explore the American Cobb salad and uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this iconic dish. So, grab your forks, and let's dig into the tantalizing world of the Cobb salad. The Cobb salad origin. The Cobb salad, born in the United States, has a captivating origin story. It was created in the 1930s at the Hollywood Brown Derby restaurant in California by chef Robert H. Cobb. Legend has it that he tossed together leftovers from the restaurant's kitchen, and voila, the Cobb salad was born. Ingredients galore. The Cobb salad is known for its abundance of ingredients. It typically includes lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, bacon, hard-boiled eggs, chicken breast, blue cheese, and a red wine vinaigrette. This medley of flavors and textures makes it a hearty and satisfying meal. The presentation. The Cobb salad is often presented in a visually stunning way. The ingredients are arranged in rows on top of a bed of lettuce, creating a colorful and appetizing display. It's almost too beautiful to eat. The Cobb salad evolution. Over the years, the Cobb salad has evolved, and you can find numerous variations. Some people swap the chicken for turkey or add extra vegetables like bell peppers or corn. It's a versatile canvas for culinary creativity. Cobb salad in pop culture. The Cobb salad has made appearances in various movies and TV shows. It's often portrayed as a symbol of upscale dining and Hollywood glamour. From Mad Men to Entourage, it's a star in its own right. National Cobb Salad Day. Guess what? National Cobb Salad Day is celebrated on January 11th. It's the perfect excuse to indulge in this delightful dish and share it with friends and family. The role of avocado. Avocado plays a crucial role in the Cobb salad, adding a creamy texture and healthy fats. It's one of the key ingredients that sets this salad apart from others. Cobb salad around the world. The Cobb salad has crossed borders and gained popularity worldwide. You can find it on menus in many countries, often with local adaptations to suit regional tastes. The Cobb salad and Weight Watchers. The Cobb salad has made its mark in diet culture too. It's often featured as a healthier option on menus, making it a favorite choice for those watching their calorie intake. The Cobb salad's influence on salad culture. Its balance of flavors and textures has inspired chefs to create other loaded salads, giving diners a variety of delicious choices. Cobb salad for dinner. Traditionally, the Cobb salad is considered a lunch or brunch option, but it's become a hearty dinner choice too. Its generous portions and satisfying ingredients make it a filling evening meal. Cobb salad and the red wine vinaigrette. The Cobb salad's dressing is often a red wine vinaigrette, which pairs beautifully with the ingredients. The acidity of the dressing complements the richness of the blue cheese and avocado. Cobb salad and food presentation. Presentation matters when it comes to the Cobb salad. Chefs often garnish it with chives or green onions for a burst of color and added flavor. Cobb salad and American Airlines. The Cobb salad has an unexpected connection to air travel. In the 1980s, American Airlines began serving a simplified version of the Cobb salad on their flights, introducing it to a broader audience. Cobb salad health benefits. The Cobb salad, when prepared with fresh ingredients, offers a range of health benefits. It's packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats, making it a nutritious choice. Cobb salad in culinary competitions. Culinary competitions sometimes feature the Cobb salad as a challenge. Chefs are tasked with putting their own spin on this classic dish, showcasing their culinary creativity. Cobb salad and fitness culture. The Cobb salad has become a staple in fitness culture. It's a go-to meal for those looking to maintain a balanced diet while enjoying a tasty and satisfying dish. Cobb salad and the blue cheese debate. Blue cheese is a defining element of the Cobb salad, but not everyone is a fan of its strong flavor. Some variations offer alternatives like feta or goat cheese for a milder taste. Cobb salad for vegetarians. Vegetarians and vegans can also enjoy the Cobb salad by substituting chicken with grilled tofu or chickpeas. It's a plant-based twist that maintains the salad's essence. The future of the Cobb salad. The Cobb salad continues to evolve with changing food trends. From plant-based versions to innovative dressings, it's a salad that adapts to the times while honoring its classic roots. Cobb salad at celebrity events. The Cobb salad has made appearances at celebrity events and awards ceremonies. It's often served as a fresh and healthy option among the glitz and glamour of Hollywood parties. Cobb salad and international variations. Like the Caesar salad, the Cobb salad has influenced salads worldwide. In different countries, you can find variations with locally inspired ingredients, adding a unique twist to this American classic. Cobb salad bowls. Cobb salad bowls have become a popular way to enjoy this dish. Instead of arranging ingredients on a plate, they are layered in a bowl, creating a convenient and aesthetically pleasing meal. Cobb salad in sandwiches and wraps. Cobb salad components have found their way into sandwiches and wraps. The combination of flavors, such as grilled chicken, avocado, and bacon, makes for a delicious handheld meal. Cobb salad and meal prep. Many people turn to the Cobb salad for meal prep. It's easy to prepare in advance, making it a convenient option for those with busy lifestyles. There you have it, an extensive exploration of the American Cobb salad, its various adaptations, and its place in culinary culture and history. If you found these facts as intriguing as I did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more culinary discoveries, and remember, every bite of the Cobb salad is a taste of tradition and innovation. Until next time, keep savoring those vibrant and flavorful Cobb salad creations. Green salad.